Welcome to Regular English. Today we'll practice a visit to the park. Let's start learning now. Hi, Liam.
Hi, Emma. I'm doing great. How about you?
I'm good, thank you.
Do you have any plans today?
I want to visit the park.
That sounds like a great idea.
Would you like to come with me?
Yes, I'd love to. Let's leave now.
Sure, I'm ready.
The weather is beautiful
Today.
Yes, it's sunny and cool.
I like coming here.
So do I.
Can you hear the birds?
Yes, they are singing.
Their songs are relaxing.
Nature is amazing. Look at those children.
They are playing happily.
They look excited.
They are having smiles.
So much fun.
It makes me smile. Me too.
Let's sit on that bench.
Good idea.
This bench is comfortable.
Yes, it is.
I brought some water.
Thanks for sharing.
You're welcome.
I'm a little thirsty.
Here you are.
Thank you very much.
Do you come here often?
Yes, every weekend.
That's nice.
What about you?
I come here once a month.
You should come more often.
You're right.
It helps me relax.
I can understand that.
Fresh air feels wonderful.
Shall we take a walk?
Yes, let's go.
The trees are so tall.
They give us cool shade.
I love green trees.
They make the park beautiful. I agree. Look at that small lake.
It's very peaceful.
I like watching the water.
Do you want to take some photos?
Yes, that's a great idea.
Smile!
Cheese!
The picture looks nice.
Let's take another one.
Okay,
This one is even better.
I'll save these photos.
They will be great memories.
I'm getting hungry.
Me too.
I brought some sandwiches.
That's wonderful.
Let's eat together.
Everything tastes delicious.
I'm glad you like it.
Thank you for bringing food.
It's my pleasure.
You're very kind.
It's getting late.
Yes, the sun is going down.
We should go home soon.
I think so too.
I really enjoyed today.
I had a great time.
Thanks for coming with me.
Thanks for inviting me.
Let's visit the park again.
I'd love that.
Take care on your way home.
You too.
See you next weekend.
See you then.
Have a nice evening.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Stay safe.
I will. See you soon.
See you. Have a wonderful day.